Hi everyone! In this video, I show you how to create your own Google Classroom step by step. Google Classroom is a free tool that helps teachers manage classes, assignment, and communicate with students online. First, open your web browser and go to classroom.google.com. Make sure that you're signed in with your Google account. Once you're on the home page, click the plus sign icon at the right type corner of the screen. Then, choose Create. A window will appear asking for your class details. Type in your class name, section, subject, and room. Let's try to answer the blank. And then after that, click the Create. Class name, grade 7. Section, matatag. Subject, edukasyon sa pagpapakatao. And then, click the Create. Now your class is ready. Now we can customize our background. Select photos or upload photos. Go just click the select photos and then we can choose here whatever we like it. Let's try this and then in the theme color we can change it. Let's try this one. The stream where you can post announcement and updates for your class. Okay, let's try. Please take note the class code under the stream kasi we will use that later on to invite our students and teachers. If your announcement is under the YouTube, then you can click the YouTube icon, and then if you have saved files, you can upload here or from Google Docs or from add link and then click the post. So that's it po. Nagkaroon na tayo ng ating announcement for our students. So let's proceed to classwork. Here in classwork, where you can create assignments, quiz assignments, questions, materials, reuse posts, and topics. Let's try to create assignments. Click Got It. After we create assignments, pwede po natin itong i-adjust. Yung points, nilagay ko 100 and then the date po kung kailan po yung submission ng ating assignments. So, sa halimbawa, nilagay po natin 10/22/2025. Magno-notify po ito sa ating students na yun po ang submission. Dito po sa attach, pwede po tayong mag-attach galing po sa Drive, sa YouTube, upload, or galing po sa link, and then i-click na po natin itong assign. Masasave na po yung ating output. So ayan na. Okay, let's proceed to people. People where you can add students and co-teachers. To invite co-teachers, go to the people tab, click the invite icon next to students, then enter their email addresses. You can also share the class code found on the stream page to your students' code. Okay, let's proceed sa grades. Dito po sa grades, dito natin makikita yung outcome sa mga output na pinapagawa po natin sa ating mga students. But first po, make sure po na na-invite na natin sila or nasendan na natin sila ng link para po dito natin makikita sa grades yung kanilang outcome po sa kanilang mga activities. So, yan lang po. Meron na tayong Google Classroom.